Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we're gonna repot our avocado because it's getting really big and roots are kind of growing out the bottom. So I figure it's kind of time to repot it. And we got a big barrel pot that we're gonna plant it in. And first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna put dirt in the bottom of it. And then we'll take it out of its pot and put it in and fill the rest in with dirt. So stay tuned. All right, so the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna actually take it out of its old pot and we're gonna stick it into this new pot for it. And here we go. All right, so the last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna center it, make sure it's all straight and in line in the center, and then we're gonna fill it up with dirt. So let's do this. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Be sure to hit the like button if you did. If you have any tips on taking care of the avocado tree indoors, please put them down in the comments below. And we'll see you guys next time. Have a good one.